This device uses a piston mechanism to move the shield, creating a thrust to pour the material into the desired location. Each drop of material flows down, filling each crevice, creating a unified block. Chestnuts are a nutritious food, containing lots of protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Bite into a piece of roasted chestnut. We feel the sweet nutty taste spreading on the tongue. Once upon a time, when people still had to work hard to wash each chestnut by hand, now there is a modern chestnut washing and sorting line. It is like a companion that helps people release labor, improve productivity, and product quality. The machine operates on the principle of convection, using hot air to cook pumpkin seeds evenly. The machine has many different roasting. Modes, helping you choose the level of ripeness that suits your preferences. From the familiar image of the traditional croissant, there is now a new unique version of the croissant. The cake is made from flour, yeast, butter, milk, sugar, and salt, then shaped into a crescent shape and baked in the oven. Grain Baguette Maker is an advanced piece of equipment used to create delicious and nutritious baguettes. The machine can produce baguettes with a variety of seeds, including sesame, sunflower, and walnut. Each layer of fresh greasy cheese is sprinkled evenly on the pizza, creating a colorful and attractive picture. Soft and smooth mozzarella cheese mixed with rich cheddar, adding a little salty parmesan. But also gives you a feeling of fullness for a long time after each meal. With all the benefits that vegetables provide, it's no wonder they become an important part of the healthy diets of millions of people around the world. With advanced technology, the lemon packaging machine can carry out packaging processes automatically and effectively. From quality inspection, packaging measurement to sealing and label printing, every step is performed automatically and accurately, helping to save time and manpower for manufacturers. Not only does the machine package products quickly, the machine also helps protect lemons from external factors such as light, air, and humidity, keeping lemons fresh and intact for a long time. This not only enhances brand value but also ensures safety and quality for consumers. Cling film packaging machine for chili is not only an equipment, but also the protector of the freshness and unique flavor of this spice. With high precision and efficiency, the machine ensures that each chili is carefully and tightly packed, keeping the natural flavor and quality of the chili maintained for a long time. Advanced technology helps the chili cling film packaging machine carry out packaging processes quickly and effectively. Not only does it keep the chili in the best condition, the cling film also protects the product from external factors such as moisture, light, and bacteria, helping the spice retain its natural flavor and freshness longer. In a world increasingly focused on convenience and health, having fresh vegetables available in trays and bags has become an indispensable part of many people's meals. Trays and bags of fresh vegetables not only bring convenience but also preserve the freshness and nutrients of when you open a tray or bag of fresh vegetables. You will feel the natural aroma and bright colors of the vegetables. Soft and fresh vegetable slices make the meal more attractive and rich in green nutrients. No need to worry about cleaning and cutting vegetables. You can easily use them immediately to prepare meals. With a convenience and variety. And fat inside. Do you find it interesting to see those cookies playing tag on the chain? Seeing them move gracefully on the conveyor belt, you feel like you are watching a fun race between cakes, each wanting to quickly reach the final destination where they will be packaged and sold. Waiting to make guests happy. Looking at the chocolate packaging machine, you not only see the precision but also feel the meticulousness and sophistication in each movement. Every move of the machine is carefully programmed to ensure that each chocolate is wrapped perfectly. From placing the chocolate in the correct position on the conveyor belt to packaging and sealing the bag, every process is performed automatically and efficiently. Chocolate wrapping machine. Is an important part of the chocolate production process, helping to protect and preserve the product in the best way. Looking at this machine, we can feel the professionalism and efficiency in packaging products. Every step of the machine's operations is performed with precision and flexibility, from converting and wrapping the chocolate to the final sealing and packaging. Cutting cheese becomes easier thanks to the support of modern cheese cutting equipment. With sharp blades and advanced technology, cheese cutting devices help you easily and flexibly adjust the thickness of each slice of cheese. You no longer have to worry about uneven or difficult cheese cutting and can rely on the machine's performance and precision. With the help of cheese cutting devices, you can quickly and easily prepare dishes with cheese without having to worry about cheese cutting becoming time-consuming and complicated. The richness and nutrition of yogurt has made it favorite choice in the daily meals of many people. With its gentle, cool, sour taste and natural aroma, yogurt is not only an important source of calcium for bone health, but also an indispensable part of a healthy diet. The versatility of yogurt is endless, from enjoying it on its own to combining it with fresh fruits, seeds, and honey to create creative and nutritious dishes. Whether used alone on its own or combined with other ingredients, the freshness and nourishment of yogurt always makes any meal more special and appealing.